Team or whatever.
Yep, so they're the ass-crack-a-like-a-tanians. And,
on this team.
Yeah. And they pretty much have the hostage. We need to get them, return them back to our base, which is right there. Okay, so who wants to go? Do you guys want to follow up on the berm right over there? Or do you want to go, or do you just want to go straight at him, hit him from a good attack? Well, Matt's really good with sneaking, so I say Matt goes up on that berm. So, okay, let's do this. First off, it comes with a KWA little sticker. You can put that on. And as you can see, it is very nifty. 2, 1, go!
Full auto, right?
Yeah, we did full auto back. Let's do this.
Hey Blair,
What's up?
should I go in with you guys or stay on the side?
Go in with us, because that's too wooded.
The Crack-a-Lackastanians are in here. This team, Blair's team, has to try to get Cezanne the hostage that's stuck in here, from here, all the way down there, without being hit. Let's go see what they look like. If you can see this, sort of, not really I guess, they're all stuck by suppressing fire given by Blair Allen. We're shredding up with his new KWA M4. And I would be shredding up with my KWA SR12, but I'm recording, obviously. So Corey and Redbeard the Pirate, the one that just popped out, are trying to get them. Chris is right in there, if you can see him sort of. Yeah, there he is. And Blair is lighting up. This could be a long war.
Matt's firing at me.
If you can see, this is Redbeard the Pirate.
What's up?
With his Echo 1 stag arms. I know it's not going to matter. That's Corey. I'm trying to get close without being shot. That's Corey with his KWA M4 with a heavy fire from Matt. And Blair's trying his best to do whatever you want. Now let me go back inside the side brush where they should be going to attack. This is the other side of the field. He's going to sneak around and kill him. Do I feel really bad for you? Yep. And then that's where they all are.
I can't leave my spot. I was right here.
If you go up right here, you can shoot right here in the face. Yeah, but they said I can't leave my face. Okay. There's Matt. There's Cezanne the hostage. And there's Hunter with his AK. This is, what gun is this, Chris?
AK Romanian. It's 47.
It's very pretty.
Thank you.
Real wood.
Can you get a close up?
Oh yeah, look at that. And then
Ugly wood.
this is where their base is. Gilly. Look at this guy. I didn't even know he was here. I honestly did not. And he has an AK. And then that's Hunter. That's Matt. And Cezanne's in there with the hostages and whatnot. So yeah, this is inside their base. Cezanne's sitting there, and if he gets shot, this game is all over. There's Hunter with his JG AK. There's Matt with his KWA M4 extended barrel with his King Arm scope. And there's Cezanne with his ACU vest. It's trying to sit there and not get hit. Ow. That hurt. extremely bad.
It's our other feel good track. Sexy.
Just pardon my manners.
Oh, Christ. Hey, you're shooting it.
There's Matt. Ow, ow, ow.
Oh, shit.
I'm getting. Ow.
Oh, one of you has to. Oh, I know one of you has to be hit.
See Matt back there? Stick your hand up, Matt.
I saw you flinch.
Matt, stick your hand up.
Get out.
Ow, my butt.
You're shooting at me.
And there's Blair. There's Matt, Suzanne, Hunter, Corey. And there's Matt again. Oh yeah, what a beast. Blair set.
Hit. Oh, you're hit. Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Come on, get him out. Hit. Hey, I'm the hostage. I'm hit. You didn't hit me yet, but I'm the hostage. I'm hit. No. That's it. Hostage isn't hit. He said I'm not hit yet. I'm hit. So capture the hostage and take him back to your base. Oi, Blair. Oi, Blair. Go watch out. Everybody's hit.
Oh, jeez.
I'm hit. Oi, secure the hostage. I'm hit.
Hey Blair, you better hurry that 15 seconds before they're back in.
He told me I couldn't race. You gotta be kidding. You're out.
Oh, this should be illegal. They just shot from like 20 feet away.
Come on.
All right, well that was the war
Get the hostage!
on what is this, January 8th, 2011.
Run him over!
Thank you.
Touch him and run!
This has been a very interesting
Run,
war.
go!
This game.
To respond.
Where do I have to go? I have to go over there.
Here they go. Here they go. They're running. 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 And we won. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, comment. Bye.